Meaning of enthusiastically.
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 Enthusiastically. Enthusiastically is an adverb that describes the manner in which something is done with great eagerness, passion, and excitement. When someone does something enthusiastically, they do it with a lot of energy and enthusiasm, and they are fully engaged in the task at hand. This kind of attitude can lead to better results and a more positive outcome, as enthusiasm tends to be contagious and can inspire others to do their best work as well. Overall, approaching tasks with enthusiasm can lead to a more productive, fulfilling, and enjoyable experience for all involved.